What's going on, everybody? This is Dave from Steel City Jones Flight Academy. Today we are at the Pennsylvania Hazmat Convention in Seven Springs. We just got set up, and before we get going today, I wanted to take a time just to give you an update on some recent questions I've been getting from some of our customers about Mavic 2 enterprise batteries. Now, we've talked a lot recently in several videos about the Mavic 2 batteries. This one is talking very specifically regarding a firmware issue related to the Mavic 2 Enterprise Advanced. So what happens when we update the aircraft? It's actually putting not only the firmware for the aircraft on board the aircraft, but also the firmware for the batteries. Then, if you have a brand new battery that, let's say this is outdated, and now you put it on, it's going to check on the aircraft to see if it's the current version. If it's not, it's going to take it, that firmware, it's already loaded on the aircraft, and load it, install it on the battery itself. And that allows you not needing to be able to go ahead and get an internet connection to your smart controller or to the aircraft, for example. So that's a nice convenient way that happens. So, but the issue hand is that normally the procedure for when we have to go ahead and update this, we'll get a message on the screen that says firmware mismatch with a little slider that we got to take from left to right, and it updates it automatically. So this happens with this situation, and it's loading it and updates it. But what's happening is that there is an issue, a known bug with the setup process. It's not updating a camera module, so therefore it's not completing the installation. So this is a known bug that DJI has. It is listed in their known issues document. If you go on DJI's website under Mavic 2 Enterprise Advanced Download section, you will see that document there, and you'll see that it is listed in here. We are told we can just hit cancel and ignore that message for right now. You don't have to keep updating it over and over and over again. You can just go ahead and ignore that. And we're also told it's not going to affect any kind of safety issues, flight issues, any kind of state of charge, calculation issues. So we should be fine there. And once this gets resolved, I will go ahead and let everybody know that it's been resolved and give you an update. So I wanted to get this out there in case you're experiencing this as well. You know what the problem is, and we'll keep you up to date. So thanks again. If you haven't yet, please help us subscribe to the channel, help us out, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks again.